Planning a trip to Malaysia? Before you pack your bags, there is an important immigration requirement you need to know about. Welcome to We the Travelers, where we bring you unfiltered travel information. Today, I will guide you step by step through Malaysia's Digital Arrival Card, a new form every visitor must complete before entering the country, with just a few exceptions. To submit your arrival card, visit Malaysia's official immigration website. I'll add the website link in the description. All foreign travelers to Malaysia must submit a digital arrival card within 3 days before their arrival date. There are some exceptions like citizens of Singapore, people who hold Malaysia's PR, Brunei Malaysia frequent travel facility holder, Thailand border pass holders, and Indonesia cross-border travel pass holders. To submit the arrival card, click on the register button. Fill in your personal information. Next, enter your travel information. And that's it. Once the information is filled, click the submit button. Your arrival card has been successfully submitted. You will receive an acknowledgement in your email. The acknowledgement email will have all your submitted information along with a PIN. This PIN can be used to check your registration. To view your registration, go back to the website. Select Check Registration, enter your passport number, nationality and the PIN you received in your email. Click on Submit button. You can see your submitted information. And that's everything you need to know about Malaysia's Digital Arrival Card. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I would be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to We the Travelers for more unfiltered travel information.